Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Organizing parts into a whole is called blank. Illusions, perception, extrasensory, gestalt. Explain one of the gestalt principles. You may use the audio option to record your answer. What form of perception did advertisements use in an attempt to influence consumers? A. Subliminal messages. B. Figure ground. C. Illusions. The apparent movement of stationary objects relative to another is called A. Figure ground. B. Motion parallax. C. Linear perspective. Fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. Blank are perceptions that misrepresent physical stimuli. Extrasensory perceptions, or ESPs. Molecular depth, illusions, constancy. And match the extrasensory perceptions, ESPs, with their correct definitions. 1. Clairvoyance. 2. Telepathy. 3. Psychokinesis. 4. Precognition. Column B, the ability to foretell, predict events in the future, the ability to read another person's mind, the ability to move objects through pure mental effort, the ability to perceive or see things beyond normal sensory contact, example, communicating with ghosts.